Okay, welcome back to part 2 of this Cookology dishwasher. I've got it all set up on the side now. Just a bit close, but never mind. It's in the shot. That's all I care about. Right, we're gonna get some water in it, give it a test cycle. Programs are pretty straightforward on here. We've got the eco, 1 hour. I'm just going to go for the rapid, just to wash it out because it smells a bit on the inside. Short light wash for solid lows, quick wash. Rapid. So we're going to turn it on. Oh yeah. P1. One hour. No, I don't want that one. P3. 29 minutes. There we are. P3, 29 minutes. Manual's pretty easy to learn. Just been out and bought some dishwasher tabs. Even though it says 20 grams on the back, and it says only 6 grams in there, I'm sure it'll be alright. So, open it up. LED light on the inside comes on. I know you can't see it on the camera, but put that into its slot. Throw that away. Got to fill the water tank up. Where's the water jug? I can't get the spot. I'm just going to have to bear with that jug in front of the camera while I fill the water tank up. See if I can get that in shot for you. Right, there we are. Just lift the lid off. Pour in the top. I don't like this. Oh my god. Oh my god, how the hell do we do this without spilling it everywhere? Is there a filter? No, there isn't. Oh, bloody hell. Let's see if I can do it from the back like this. Leaking. Just make sure it's not leaking out anywhere. Nope, that's it there. Apparently it'll beep when it's full. Spill some on the top up. Still want more, okay. The jug's only 1.8 litres. I think it needs about 3 litres, so let's see what this one does. Not sure how much water, I can't remember how much it said on the thing. Must be getting close now. It's not leaking out anywhere, is it? No, come on, alright. I think we're getting close to the top. I think we are. This is our 4th jug now. So we must be getting close. Let's hope so. It's supposed to beep when he gets to the top. Oh, there we are. Fucking hell, that was a lot. 4 jugs. 1.8 litres, 4 jugs. That was a hell of a lot. Shut that out, that tablet don't fall. Oh, yeah. I suppose it'll be alright. Right. 29 minutes. Press play. I hit the start button. See what happens. Groaning a lot. Don't seem to be making too much noise at the minute. Just make sure water's not leaking out either. Got fingerprints all over it, look. Oh, I think I can see water coming in. Don't know whether you can see that down there. You can just about see it there, look. Water coming in. It's not going to be a fast machine because of the way it's built. Yeah, well, this takes to fill up and go. While the fans take off. There's a dishwasher tablet dissolving away. Didn't have any good ones, I had to buy the cheap one, so I hope it works. It's filling up nicely. Oh, there we are, it's off. That's not loud. It's actually not as loud as I thought it would be for a tabletop. And that dishwasher tablet, even though it's a cheap one, it's dissolving nicely. I'm not sure how much of the cycle, you know, to actually show you. The clock says 28 minutes. Just put it on a quick one just to wash it out with it being a new machine. But this camera will record up to 19 minutes because I'm not very good with editing. We're on 8 minutes, nearly 9 minutes now. I'll just let it do its thing for a minute. Because people on YouTube, they watch the washing machines going round and round and round. So, you can watch the dishwasher going round and round and round. That's actually better than I thought it would be. And the rose gold. And it was a bargain as well. Well, it was 175 quid. I had a discount code from eBay. But still, I'm impressed with that. It means I don't have to wash up anymore. I spilt water on top. Oh. Just wash that. Wash it off. Takes up a bit of space on the old counter. It's not leaking anywhere. Beautiful. No, not leaking anywhere. And all you gotta do is put that pipe in the sink. Doesn't have to be plumbed in, just stick it in the sink. Those dishwasher tablets are doing pretty well, so they're only cheap. And it's got a light on the inside as well, an LED light, so you can see everything. That's why you can see it so clearly on the screen. 26 minutes to go. Yeah, I think that should keep everything clean. And look at the foam in there. That should keep it all clean and tidy. If you want to see more cycles, because I know people watch the washing machine ones, let me know in the comments below and I'll start doing cycle videos if people want to watch them. And there we are, there's the Cookology dishwasher. I'm going to end part 2 here because this video is over 12 minutes long now, and that's a long time for a video, I think. So if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe, leave me a comment down below if you want to see more cycles, because I've got a lot of washing up to do, as you can see. Let me know and I'll do it for you. Got another unboxing video coming in a little while. Did a mystery box on eBay. So I'll see you when that comes in.